Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Honeydew or Honeydew Martini. Is it do or do? We start off with some honeydew melon chunks. Is it do or do? Okay, blend. I know some people can be like do, like maybe it's like Mountain Dew. Okay, whatever. So what we're doing is we straining those blended honeydew chunks in there. Okay, she's using the strainer to really get it fine tuned. Get some vodka in there, get some peach snaps in there. All right, why would it be do if it have an EW on the end? Y'all understand English, man? Okay, y'all can't be just changing words randomly. Adding some lemon juice, some melon liqueur, and now we give this a nice shake, and that's our mix, okay? And we strain that into our nice little coupe or martini glass, beautiful. Okay, and we come behind with some champagne on top. This is a fun drink. Drop in some mint leaves, come behind with some melon balls on a stick, and we are good to go. So listen, for more cool drinks like this that you can make at your next party, hit up tipsybartender.com. We got you covered, man. We got you covered. There's Bobby. She's enjoying. I'm on a diet, so I'm just probably gonna eat the melon balls. Stay tipsy, friends. Stay tipsy.